Hello everyone, my name is Guniyar Anhir and my roll number is 21EC10030.
I am Rishabh Singla and my roll number is 21EC30042.
My name is Ayush Kumar and my roll number is 21HS10017.
My name is Sambesh Thita Sirisai Pradhan. My roll number is 21IM10029.
Hello, myself Kunal Vittal Vakmare, roll number 21BG20001.
Hello everyone. So this is the Tinkercad model for automatic water dispenser and automatic hand dryer. In this model, we have used a Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, two ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, a transistor, a diode, and a 9-volt battery. Here we have used a DC motor instead of a fan as fan wasn't available in Tinkercad. So let us see the connections. First, we have connected this ultrasonic sensor. We have connected the VCC to the breadboard and ground pin to the breadboard. Then we connected the trig pin to digital pin 12 and echo pin to digital pin 11. Then we connected this servo motor. Then this was all for the automatic water dispenser path. Then we have connected this ultrasonic sensor for the hand dryer path. We have connected the trig pin to digital pin 7 and echo pin to digital pin 6 and the VCC and ground pin to the breadboard. Then we have used a transistor here to control the fan, and we have used a 9-volt battery as the fan cannot operate on a 5-volt source. We have connected the battery to the fan through a diode, as during rotation of a DC motor it can produce EMF which can destroy the transistor. So we have used a diode here. So this was all about the model. Now let us see the code. So here is the code. First we wrote the echo pin and trig pin. Then here we wrote the code for measuring the distance. Then we wrote that if distance is less than 5 centimeter, then we turn on the tap, and if it's greater than 5 centimeter, then we turn off. In this, what we are doing is we rotate the servo motor by some angle which would lift up the tab. Here we saw which angle was working and saw that 85 was the best suitable angle. Then this is the code for the hand dryer path. For here we measure the distance of the hand from the ultrasonic sensor. Then we wrote if distance is less than 5 centimeter, then we turn on the fan through the transistor, and if it's greater than 5 centimeter, then we turn off the fan. So let us simulate the circuit and see. So here, as you can see, it's 29.5 centimeters. So now as we bring our hand closer to 5 centimeter, then it's rotate, and if we move far from 5 centimeter, then it again rotate. And here also we can see if we make our hand closer to 5 centimeter, then the DC motor starts rotating, and if we move back our hand greater than 5 centimeter, then it stops rotating. So this was all.
Now let us discuss the hardware components which are used in our circuit. First of all, we will discuss about the Arduino UNO board, which is used in our circuit for the purpose of programming the software. This is the water can that we have used for the purpose of storing water. These are the two ultrasonic sensors. One is used to detect the object closer to the tap, and the another is used to detect the object closer to the hand dryer. As you can see, these are the two ultrasonic sensors. This is the servo motor we have used for reopening and closing of the tap when the ultrasonic sensor detects an object closer or farther from the can. This is the long breadboard, and these are all the jumping wires which are used to connect the Arduino to different component of the circuit, as you can see. This is the CPU fan which is used for the purpose of hand dryer. Finally, this is the NPN transistor, and this is the diode. These two are used for the purpose of controlling the fan. Now let us move to the water dispenser setup. First, we need to place our hand under the tap. The ultrasonic sensor which is present here recognizes the hand, and due to the execution of the code, the servo motor rotates, which is present here, which in turn allows the water to flow out of the tap as the servo motor is connected to the tap. Once our hand is removed from under the tap, the water flow stops. Now, as you have seen, I have connected the Arduino board to the laptop. Now I will first execute the code. First, let me verify it. Now it compiling done successfully. Now let me upload it. As you can see, it is uploaded to the circuit. Now let me first place my hand below the tap. Once I place my hand, the sensor senses and the tap automatically rotates so that the water comes out. As you can see, the servo motor rotates, which in turn pulls up the tap up and down by some angle. Now, once I pull out my hand, the tap automatically closes. Let's look into the other part of our project, that is the hand dryer. The fan which is present here, which is an important part of our hand dryer, rotates when we place our hand just below the fan, and due to the sensor present here and execution of the code, air that blows out from the fan dries our hand. Once we remove our hand, the sensor senses it and stops rotating the fan. Now let me show it how it works. Once I place my hand near the hand dryer, the fan rotates due to the sensor sensing it, and once my hand is dried up, I remove it and the fan automatically stops.